tell me when you need it. I'm right here.
Addie's just swimming so well. Her first time at the pool,
Let's go look at Mommy's.
2010.
Get the pad.
Here she comes.
Let's go get her.
Finally, we were over there. This is a... That's you.
Ah, she got me!
Where you gonna go now?
I'm gonna go straight over
You
there.
wanna go to those steps? Oh wow, that's really far. Can you do it? Kick and paddle. And kick and a paddle. Kick and a paddle. There. Paddle, you gotta do both. Do both. Get closer. Mommy, look at her. She's gonna make
You're
it.
doing great, Addie.
You're going to do this one all by yourself. You're almost there. Come on. Kick and paddle, mouth closed. Right here. Kick and paddle. Come on. Kick and paddle.
She just swam all the way across the pool all by herself. Wave to me.
Mommy, look what I did.
You did a great job. And now she's coming back.